It's 50-50.
Well, we told you Ron McClendon would be in this division. That's because he practiced in this division, but since he's standing down on the racetrack in short sleeves and short pants, I doubt that he'll be on the racetrack on a motorcycle. Ron McClendon is undefeated at this track on the Smars motorcycle. Nobody has ever beaten him. I guess that's why he got the name Magic Man. Standing starts here at Pensacola at Five Flags Speedway for the motorcycles from a standing start, and this will be 12 laps long.
These guys are used to, road races and things of that nature. This is the one rare occasion that they're on an oval. 12 laps in our novice division. Green flag. In trouble for a big crash.
Yeah, he got hit in the head.
And let's pray, folks.
Big trouble in the front straightaway before.